To understand hardscape cleaning and servicing, you first have to understand what a hardscape is. Hardscape is a term that refers to any hard impermeable surface on your property, such as concrete, pavers, brick, and any sort of patio or drive. So when we talk about hardscape servicing packages and cleaning, we're talking about maintaining the surface and joints or cracks of those hard surfaces. That includes everything from a 2 to 3 times a year specialized cleaning of the surfaces to remove anything from leaf stains, animal droppings, car tire marks, those types of things, to joint stabilizing, such as hardening up any sand, mortar, tuck pointing, those types of things. And then last, the option to add a sealer to your hard surfaces where you're protecting those surfaces from future staining, moisture damage, and those types of things. So when you're considering signing up for an automated hardscape servicing package, you're basically ensuring that twice a year, all of those hard surfaces are cleaned, sealed, and stabilized, and you don't have to worry about it. It's just taken care of for you. That's fabulous peace of mind, and it's what keeps those surfaces looking beautiful for decades. When you're considering a hardscape servicing plan, there's a few key things that you need to know. First is timing. Here at High Prairie, one of the things that's important to notate is there are certain times of the year where your patio is more likely to get soiled, and also when you're going to be using it and you want it fresh and clean. So we tend to do a spring or summer cleaning based on your schedules and your environment, and another one in fall to prevent leaf staining damage that sets in for months at a time. Clients do have the option to add additional cleanings based on special events or abnormal situations, such as a bird dropping event that becomes a perpetual issue if you've got a neighbor with a crabapple tree, etc. So here's the thing. Hardscape servicing is customized in that way, where you can kind of decide what works for you, but we recommend a minimum of spring and fall for the cleaning. If you choose to do a sealer, we are limited by the temperatures on when we can apply that sealer. All of the top caliber sealers have to be applied in a window between 60 and 80 degrees for 24 hours a day, not just during the daytime. So we have very precise windows where we come into clients as experts, since it's something we do, and apply that product where it will last and stabilize and clean and protect. So when you're considering this process, once you sign up for the service and you let High Prairie know what options and areas you'd like taken care of, we automate it and it's just taken care of for you, which is a fabulous place to be.